I'm doing back here. I'm going to do back today, and and same thing, 3 exercises. So I'm going to do a weighted chin up and red out fly, followed by bicep curl, and that's all. So same thing, keeping my workout very minimalistic. Just 3 sets, and I'm kind of liking this process of keeping my workout very minimal, because I can get in and out of the gym within about 45 minutes. Yep. One more. So that was a warm-up set. Just kind of like get my blood flowing and everything. So I'm starting to like the weighted pull-ups a lot. Starting to like it a lot. I've always been into like body weight or calisthenic training. Started doing it since COVID time. Even bought a pull-up bar and installed at my room. And I was like clocking like in volumes like maybe 50 or 100 pull-ups a day. So that was the foundation. That was like the start of my fitness journey lah. Of course, there was no, my physique didn't change at all. Didn't get bigger because there was no additional resistance. It was just pull-ups and pull-ups and pull-ups and pull-ups. Yeah. And then when I finally got into the gym, and I started doing with using a lot of lats and a lot of lat pull down. But I always felt that I couldn't really feel the lats when I'm doing lat pull down. I felt that the chin up is always, it feels really good actually. It feels better. So starting to add weights to it. Yeah, and it is the best exercise to test your relative strength actually at like, at my weight. At your own weight, can you pull your own body weight? Can you pull more than your body weight? That's the best test, you see. Just checking the mic if it's working. Yep. So let's do another set. So same thing, 2 working sets. And then we'll move on to the next exercise. Two. Could be sleeping. Okay, there we go. So 8 reps warm up. Yeah, so I don't usually use any grip, like any reps when I'm doing pull up, like wrist reps. I want to train my grip. My grip strength is not my strongest because I've been using a lot of wrist rep. And shouldn't be using any wrist rep when you are doing your pull-ups. So the last time was 20 kg for like 6 reps with pause in between. So I'm probably going to increase the weight a little bit, maybe 25, and hopefully I can hit like 3 or 4 reps, and that would be my working set. If I can't, what's the worst? Just reduce the weight. Let's go. 5 kg. Yep. So, okay, if you are at a very good gym and if it has like good machines, like good leg pull downs and good row machines, you know, my tip is don't go into, like, go use those machines actually, because it helps. It's very stable, so it helps you to really target on the muscle that you want to work on. Yeah, I'm going to fumble on the roof. Yeah, I kind of forget how to wear it. Oh, okay, I remember. So this clip has to go here. Put this guy in. Okay, let's go for 25. Let's go here. And here we go. Let's just clip it on. Whoa. Heavy. Okay, come. Yeah, heavy. Okay, let's go. Alright, so let's go for 4. Okay. Take a break. It's 2 reps. Let's go for another 2 more. Pause for a while. Okay, come. Oh wait, that's a grind. Come, let's go another one. Okay, yep. Yep. So 3.5. 3.5. Okay. 3.5. Whoa, that was a heavy one. Good. It's not too far from my estimation. I was thinking of like 4 reps and I got 3. And yeah, I couldn't pull the last one already. So, and it's pull up, so there's no way that you can actually self spot or anything. Yeah, so that was a 3.5 and I will take it. You don't need to go crazy reps, you see. As long as you hit failure, it's failure. It's, your adaptation will occur already. So I don't think I will be reducing the weight. I'm going to hit 20. I'm going to try for 25. Yeah, I think I could actually pull it up a little more. I think my grip kind of gave way already. Last one. Don't worry. Yeah, last one. You can come back in 1 minute. After this, I can pass to you already. Okay. Yeah. So someone wants to use the machine. I think. Okay. Yeah. So, yeah. Let's do. If I'm going to hit 3, I will not do a third set. Okay. So it depends. You can tell yourself that, you know, if you hit your rep range, you hit failure. You know, I don't know what I'm saying now, but anyway, Let's just do the chin up. Okay, come. Okay. Yeah. 2.5. Let's go for the third one. Okay, 25 kg for 3-ish. I'll take it. Okay, so the next exercise is the bicep curl. Yeah, so just going to pull up. This is a nice warm up set. Okay, let's go. Yeah. Good. Okay. It's a nice bicep curl. About 10. I'm going to do another set of warm up before I hit my weight. Okay, so this is a little bit special because this bicep curl machine, this concentrated curl machine, has a leg rest. So when it's a leg rest, do use it because it gives you further support. So when you are very supported with the pad and the legs, you can actually pull a little bit more. And to be honest, my opinion on bicep curl is, I think a lot of people have been overcomplicating things. As long as you move your arm like this, you will target the bicep, regardless of the head. So actually, any hammer curl, as long as you're doing this or this, you will target the bicep. And you don't need to do like lots of reps. It's just 2 reps, 2 sets of to failure or close to failure at kind of like your 80% of your max weight. So for example, if you are doing like if your 1 rep max is about 70 kg on this machine, which is very possible actually. So you might want to reduce it to about 63, and do like maintain like at least maybe 5 to 8 reps kind of thing. Yeah, so don't need to complicate things. As long as it's here, you're working your bicep. As long as you don't move your shoulders, you will not bring other body parts to place. Yeah, so warm up number 2. Let's go. So like this, go down, up and down. Don't need to be deliberately lowering down very slowly. Just make sure that it's controlled down. Up, controlled down. It'll be fine. And really just 2 sets is all you need. So this is about 34 kg, I think, based on my feel. It should be 34 kg. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into maybe 654. So this, based on because I've been doing bicep curl on this machine all the time, so I kind of know that my maximum I could go is about 71 kg. Yeah, so 71. Yeah. So this is 71. I know that's 71 kg. Yeah. So this is my max weight, 71. Yeah, and you can see from the very first rep I really slowed down already. So if this is the case, I will reduce the weight. I will cut the weight to about 50-ish or 60, and I estimate I could go about 5 reps. I could clock about 5 reps in, or like, yeah, about 5 reps in, you know. So that's the gauge. That's kind of my gauge, you know. Of course, don't reduce the weight until you can actually do like maybe 12 or 15 reps on the before your reps start to slow down. I usually adjust it about 6 reps or like 3 reps into the exercise, and it starts to slow down already. That will, to me, it will be a very nice weight to start with. Yeah. So this is bicep curl, and especially this one extension. So it's an extension. Yep. Okay. So I'm just letting myself recover from the max rep because I could feel that, it's starting to, my nervous system is starting to feel like a little bit tired from that weight. Yep. Moving on. Let's try this at 55.5. So it's about 20% down. Yeah, 20% down. Yep. So you see, 2, still nice and easy. 3, still nice and easy. 4, starting to slow down. 5, starting to slow down. Yeah, that's where the rep starts to be efficient. 6 is effective already. 7, and then 8. Yeah, so this is the grind. So this means okay. So that was how I estimate my one rep left. Yeah, because it was a grind already. If I were to pull it up, I will feel like shit basically. Okay, so I managed to do like 7 reps in, 7.5. I feel at 8. So what I'm going to do now is I'm not going to reduce the weight, because if I reduce the weight, I'm just making the exercise a little easier. In fact, I'll increase the weight, and because I really can do 7 reps or 8 reps. Once I hit 7 reps or 8 reps already, I will just increase the weight. Yep. So now I know 71, it's kind of my 100%. 55 is too light for me, so I'll go for about 60-ish. The last time I used this machine, my max was about 55, 7 reps. Yeah. And I actually and I'm actually on the cut now. So the funny thing about the cut is I have adapted, because I lost about 4 kg since last November. Like 4 kg in cutting and really just doing walking and fasting. I do a lot of I do fasting. I fast every day, like 16 hours every day. So I think there were a lot of comments saying that, or a lot of YouTubers are saying that you don't necessarily lose weight when you fast. You don't lose strength when you fast, but actually I do feel that I lost a little bit of strength. Yeah, and I'm not paranoid about it, you see. I am chill about it, because to me it makes complete sense that you lose a bit of weight, you lose a bit of mass, right? You lose a bit of strength. It's just rational for me. So I'm just chill about it. I've been cutting for about 3 or 4 months already, and the funny thing about cutting is the recent weeks I have been doing it. I've been putting it in the system where I actually fast and I eat and I have OMAD, like 1 meal a day. But I usually hit my calories about 1,008. But Now, the thing is, I have been creating such a huge, large deficit that I have to kind of eat a little bit of like other food just to not have that much of a calorie deficit. Yeah, so when you're on the cut, don't go too low on deficit. You feel like shit. Like honestly, you will feel like shit. Yeah, that's just my personal opinion. And yep, let's go into our second set. Did I increase the weight? No, I didn't. 60 kg. Let's go 60 kg. Yep. So you can see, it starts to slow down. Third. See, it starts to slow down. On the second, it starts to slow down. Fourth. That's a grind. Try for 5. Okay. Won't kill myself for the 5th rep. Okay, moving on, I'm going to do rear delts, and that will be the last exercise for the day. Okay, my check. So, this is the last exercise, third and last exercise. I usually don't do a warm-up when I come to my last back exercise really, because from all the pulling and all the bicep and everything, you kind of really warm up the entire back already. So I'll just go straight to my 2 working sets for rear delt flies. So my kind of modified program, I actually hit shoulders. Technically speaking, I hit shoulders every day. Like every session I hit shoulders, except for my leg day. I do a push-pull. I do a like push-pull, push/leg kind of thing. Sometimes I will shift my leg to another day if I'm not feeling it. I will just kind of like shift it to another day. And my legs are, as I mentioned, my legs are very minimal. I just do hip thrust and leg extension, or RDL and leg extension. I mean, I think that's the thing about workout programs. Like a lot of it used to be back in like maybe 14 years ago. It used to be like laughed at. Like people are laughing at like, don't skip. Yeah, people who are skipping leg days, they skip legs and they skip legs stuff. But if you really think about it, there's nothing wrong keeping your legs exercises to the minimal, you see. Especially if you are not enhanced in any way, because it is actually very tiring. I used to do 2 leg days every week. So 1 quad focus and 1 glute focus, and it just really tired, you see. And I think that we shouldn't be doing too much legs also. Do the bare minimum, work on the most important muscles on the legs, and that will be fine already. So yeah, I'm proudly saying that I skip legs. It's working quite well enough for me. I skip legs and I work like maybe 10,000-15,000 steps a day. Right? That's my leg workout. My functional leg workout. Walking and a little bit of like hip thrust and leg extension, just to get that nice athletic legs. And really, to be very honest, like big massive legs, not appealing. So yeah, that's about legs. And you can think that it's a quote, but I really don't care. I really don't care. I'm very happy with like doing push and pull and then push. Like 2 shoulders and 1 back. 2.5 shoulders and 1 back. Okay, come, let's go. This. Okay, 6 reps at 80 kg. Six reps at 80 kg. Good. Let my bottle take it. I'm going to stick to this weight again. Usually I do have like 1 or 2 rest days in between. But I mean, life happens. So I did shoulders yesterday, and today here I'm doing my back. Usually I'll have about 1 or 2 days in between to just rest. And I did legs on Sunday. I did legs, and yeah, I'm still feeling the sore actually. Just from 2 exercises, and I'm feeling the sore. So you can imagine the times when I've been having 2 leg days. You are constantly feeling the pain on your legs and your quads. Like, to be honest, and plus your daily life, you walk a lot. Yeah, it just makes it it's just really tiring. So that's my opinion on leg days. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I've been training. Am I fasted? I have been. So for today, I'm not fast. I broke my fast already. I ate earlier in the day, 4 p.m. But usually I only have 1 meal a day. I will have like maybe like coffee with milk in the afternoon, and then I will leave leave all my calories at night for the big epic meal. So I actually I think I should do a video on how epic the meal is. It's like a lot of meat, a lot of eggs, and a little bit of rice. No other stuff. Just that. Eat like I don't know, it just feels really good. And I can eat that. I can eat those epic meals and still lose weight. So that's the reason why I love intermittent fasting. And when I fast and when I work, I'm absolutely clear. I'm not blunt. I think fast enough. I am clear and alert. So that's the reason why I have been fasting for like so many years. 3 years in fact. Okay, set number 2. Come, let's go. Six. One more. Okay. Good one. Yeah, that's all. Gonna do a quick physique check later. Okay, so it's a quick physique check. Now 69 kg. This is how it looks. Yep. Shoulders. Popping out really nicely. Side. taper. Sweet. Okay. It's back. So showing shredded. Yeah, the arms. Of course. If I don't flex, I will look like a normal person. Delts are quite nicely. Remember, okay, shoulders 3 times, 2 or 3 times.